The next menu is reset. It is used to reset all operations on tree structure modification. Like the first one is root tree. If you have rooted one of the branch as a root, and you can click this button to reset. The next one is reverse children. Like you can change the order of this branch. Reverse children. And if you want to reset, just click this button. The last one is reset delete clade. You can delete one of the clade or leaves you don't want to delete whole clade, and you can click this button to reset.